Namaste and welcome to my channel Creative Veda. So today's video, as you can see from the title, is a bit different video as normally I have posted on YouTube. So today's video is all about putting together different types of outfit and making one outfit for this festive season. So as we all know, Dussehra is just around the corner. So I thought of posting this video this week because this is the perfect time for this video to be posted on YouTube. So there are two outfits that I have created in this video. The first outfit is the classic traditional way with a twist, and the second outfit is the ethnic way, or you can say it as the Indo-Western way, again with a twist. So before I show you the outfits that I have created, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Just right down below is the subscribe button in red, and then you have to hit the bell icon, which is just next to the subscribe button. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and leave a comment whether you like this outfit or not. If you like and found this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends so that even they can be helpful with this content. So let's get started. For this look, I have taken a Patiala salwar. So if you do not have a Patiala salwar, you can go with a normal salwar or a dhoti pants. For the top half, the blouse, this is the sari blouse and this is the brocade blouse. So there are some shades of this color in the Patiala pants, that is why I have gone with this blouse. And for the dupatta, I have gone with a beige color to complement the golden brocade design on the blouse. This is the embroidered beige dupatta. If you do not have an embroidered dupatta, you could go with any kind of a heavy dupatta or a Banarsi dupatta to complete this look. Now to tie up the dupatta, all you have to take is a bigger length dupatta. Do not take the normal smaller length. This will not give you the look that you want. Fold the dupatta into half as in the video. Then the sides which is open, you have to fold it 1 inch inside the dupatta. So if you see, I have left the half dupatta, that is folded dupatta, outside, and the open dupatta is been folded inside twice. This is partly secure. To secure it fully, all you have to do is secure it with a safety pin. So this will basically secure your dupatta and will give you the look that you require to complete this particular outfit. Now if you see, the dupatta is been divided in half and then secured. To open the dupatta, you have to take the one, so this is the one which is the open side, which you have to put around your head and your hand. To cinch in at your waist, because this dupatta is not giving you that curvy look, to cinch it inside, you have to take a belt and secure it properly to give you the curvy look that you require in this outfit. To accessorize it, I have gone with all golden accessories to complement the brocade golden design and the beige dupatta. And to complete the look fully, I have gone with a golden sandal. If you do not have a golden sandal, you can go with golden jyotis. This will give your look a proper, complete look. For the second look here, this is the Indo-Western look. I've taken a palazzo with pockets. For the top half, I have gone with a crop top. So this is the crop top that is with stitch. And for the dupatta, the same technique is being used, but here I have taken a dupatta complementing my palazzo and the crop top. To cinch it near your waist, all you have to do is again add a belt. So here I have gone with a silver diamond studded belt to give it a neutral silver accessorize look. To accessorize the look, I have gone with all silver accessories, the necklace, a statement earring, a statement bangle, a statement ring, and of course the silver watch. To complete the look, here I am wearing a nude ankle strap heels. And so this is the second outfit created, which is the Indo-Western ethnic outfit for you. I hope this video was helpful and you liked the outfit that I have created for this Dussehra festive. I will put down all the links in the description so that you can go and check the products. Happy Dussehra from me to every one of you in advance. May this Dussehra gets a lot of happiness into your life and your family. Till then, you keep safe and keep watching this space for more contents and more videos from my end. Thank you for watching the video and bye-bye.